Hi everyone, my name is Axel with HobbyZobby.com. We're back with this flying RC airplane or boat or whatever you want to call it. Many of you have already seen the video. We're going to go ahead and attempt a second try with this hydroplane after the modifications that have been made. As many of you noticed on the previous flight at the lake, as soon as we took off, the aircraft started pitching, and that's because of the fact that the center of gravity was off. So what we have done is we went ahead and placed the motor a little bit forward, so it sits a little bit closer to where the fuselage ends, right over here, so it's more aligned. Other than that, I had to put the battery up forward and move everything, but the most important change that was made was the radio controller. We had to get rid of the old radio controller that was provided in the package because the ailerons were on the rudder stick, and you know, if you've flown RC airplanes for many years and you're used to flying in a particular way where ailerons are on the right hand side, it could be really challenging, almost impossible to try to fly the thing without it. So let's go ahead and get it back in the air and see how this thing goes.
Okay, do the thing. Where'd it go? It flew out over here?
Yeah, because of the wind, it's really challenging to fly. I had better luck flying it yesterday for the test flight. It's really a challenge.
I'm recording. It's like a hoverboard.
Yeah.
Hovercraft.
Recording?
Yeah. Is it difficult to turn it right now?
Getting it right?
Yeah.
Not good. Getting it?
Yeah. So what just happened?
So this is the end of this pile. As you guys saw, this is a pretty awesome airplane to fly. Very challenging. And at this stage, I don't know if we're gonna go ahead and repair this, but that's the end of this flying RC boat, airplane, hoverboard, so forth. That was pretty fun.
Yeah, that thing's dead.
And the motor is still running.
Oh. Wow.
There it is.
Nice. Wow. Hold on.
And that one was the last flight.
And again.
So that's the end of this pile. As you guys can see, everything's just scattered in pieces. It's probably not even worth repairing this thing. Although we checked and each and every one of the electronics are working properly. So that leads me to say that we're going to take the electronics out of this particular plane and just build something else that flies.